The P0507 diagnostic trouble code indicates that your vehicle's engine control module has detected an idle speed that is consistently higher than the predetermined specification. Specifically, this code is triggered when the engine idle speed is typically more than 200 RPM above the normal idle speed. While normal idle is usually between 600 to 800 RPM, P0507 indicates the engine is running faster than it should when you're not accelerating. The P0507 code has four primary causes, each with different likelihood of occurrence. Vacuum leaks account for 40% of cases, making them the most common cause. IAC valve issues represent 25%, throttle body problems account for 20%, and air intake system issues make up the remaining 10%. Vacuum leaks are the most common cause, representing 40% of P0507 cases. These occur when there are cracks in intake manifold gaskets, deteriorated vacuum hoses, or faulty brake booster connections. The engine control module detects these leaks through various sensors connected throughout the system. Idle air control valve issues account for 25% of cases. These problems often involve carbon buildup that causes the valve to stick, electrical connector corrosion, or complete motor failure in electronic IAC systems. The IAC valve controls the amount of air bypassing the throttle plate during idle. Throttle body problems represent 20% of P0507 cases. These include carbon deposits that prevent the throttle plate from closing properly, throttle position sensor malfunctions, or electronic throttle actuator failures. Modern vehicles use electronic throttle control systems that can develop these specific issues. Air intake system issues account for the remaining 10% of cases. These problems involve dirty or faulty mass airflow sensors, clogged air filters that cause the system to compensate, or intake manifold runner control problems. These components work together to ensure proper airflow measurement and delivery to the engine. Understanding these four primary causes of the P0507 code provides the foundation for effective diagnosis and repair. Each cause affects different components in the air intake and idle control system, requiring specific diagnostic approaches to identify and resolve the underlying problem. The first step in diagnosing P0507 is a thorough visual inspection. Look for obvious vacuum leaks, cracked hoses, and damaged connections that could cause unmetered air to enter the engine. Next, connect an advanced OBD2 scanner to monitor real-time data. Focus on idle air control valve position, throttle position sensor readings, and manifold absolute pressure sensor data to identify the root cause. Inspect the idle air control valve and throttle body for carbon buildup. Carbon deposits are a leading cause of P0507 codes, preventing proper airflow control and causing high idle conditions. Check the air filter condition and test the mass airflow sensor. A dirty air filter forces the engine to compensate, while a faulty MAF sensor provides incorrect airflow readings to the engine control module. After completing repairs, perform the ECM relearn procedure to reset the idle control parameters. This critical step ensures the engine control module adapts to the cleaned or replaced components. Regular preventive maintenance is key to avoiding P0507 codes. Clean the throttle body every 30,000 miles, replace air filters regularly, and address vacuum leaks promptly to maintain proper idle control.